Ublalotak, Conwick Pizzy. Today is Tuesday. What day? All day. Let's be responsible. Always try, do our best. Cooperate with each other. Treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. And now we continue from yesterday with more timelining. Now, before we get too far, can anyone remind me what timelining is? This is it, really fast. Does anyone remember? That's right. Timelining is a tool that organizes information and is used to describe the order in which events happened. So let's move into an example of when timelining could be very useful. Example number 1. One day, in the future not too far from here, 2 students are walking to school, minding their own business as usual. I've got to show you something before we get to school.
What is it?
Look at this cool backpack I've brought with me.
Wow, this is nice.
Thank you. Uh-oh. Unbeknown to our 2 students, it looks like they're going to have some company.
Oh no, we gotta run. Chops is after us.
Okay, let's hightail it to school.
Run!
The students make it safely to school, but eventually, one of the students realizes the backpack's missing. Outside of school, Granny Sumptions is walking along when she comes across the backpack lying on the ground all by itself near the school. Thinking it could belong to a student, Granny goes inside with the backpack and asks the office if there's a student missing the backpack. Just then, student 1 happens to walk by and sees Granny and the backpack and shouts, "Hey, that's my backpack!" And Granny Sumption replies, "Why did you leave your backpack outside?" Okay, everyone, we're going to take a moment and stop right here. Now, when Granny asked, "Why did we leave the backpack outside?" why don't we use our timelining skills so we can explain to Granny Sumptions how the backpack was not only left outside, but found its way back to the student. So, teachers, this is a great time to pause the video and have your students work on a timeline of the events that just happened in the example. When you're ready, hit resume and we'll go over the timeline together. Okay, so let's go over our timeline. So we know the first thing that happened was the 2 students were walking to school together. Okay, everyone, now what happened next? That's right, student number 1 showed their backpack off to student number 2. What happened after that? Again, that's right, Chomps began to chase the students. So the students ran into the school. What happened after that? That's right, the backpack was left behind. So after the backpack was left, what happened next in the timeline? Everyone's doing a great job. That's right, Granny Sumptions found the backpack. And finally, what happened last? That's right, Granny Sumptions reunited the backpack with the student. And with all of that, we've now answered Granny Sumptions' question of how the backpack got left outside and how it got reunited with the student. Good job, everyone. Okay, everyone, and with that, I hope everyone has a terrific Tuesday.